Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. I'm Cami for those of you guys that are new, and today I'm going to be showing you guys 5 different items that I recommend for your home to get that farmhouse look. And so what I'm going to show you guys today is just some of the items that I have in my home that I really feel like gives me that look of that farmhouse style. So the first item being the galvanized planter tins. I love these, and I actually have them in 2 locations in my home. I have them in my master bedroom and then also on this wall here. And I love just sticking any kind of greenery, flowers, anything in there. And they're really inexpensive, under $10, and everything will be linked down in the description below, and these definitely give that farmhouse look. The next item is pillows. My favorite place to look is Hobby Lobby or Amazon, and the 2 I have actually here are from Walmart. This one here says home, and it's gorgeous. It looks great with any other pillow, and it was under $10. Now this next one here is an Arn Nest pillow from Amazon. This is also a great deal, but just keep in mind the image that is online. The coloring looks a little different than what you get in person, but it still is a really nice pillow and will add to that farmhouse look. Number 3 is vases. I love the way vases look, and you can get a variety of different kinds from like TJ Maxx, and this one here is actually from Kirkland's. This is one that I found that was really inexpensive compared to other brands or other ones that I looked for in other stores. And just sticking some cotton or greenery in there really gives it that look. Number 4 is tobacco baskets. I love the way that these look. You can put tons of different things in there. My favorite thing to do is put a wreath around in the inside, and then also a picture or wording of some sort in the middle, and I think it looks so cute, and look at how it just decorates my mantle really pretty. Number 5 is pictures with wording and also with the wooden framing. So I love when they have this wooden frame, and then in the inside you have this nice font that gives you that farmhouse look, and there's so many sayings, and these are also really good items that you can find on a budget. If you look at Hobby Lobby's clearance, they have tons of different things to choose from, and then they also all have their 50% off sale all the time, so make sure you guys check that out. Alright you guys, so that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching this, and I hope it gave you guys some inspiration to decorate your home on a budget and in that farmhouse style that I know you guys love. And then if you aren't subscribed to our channel, make sure you guys do that down below, and we post lots of different decor videos, and we have some very exciting videos coming up, so make sure you guys subscribe. Alright, we'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!